Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Looker Studio for AI dashboard automation. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Looker Studio website. In the top right corner, locate the sign in button and click on it. You will be directed to the login page. If you already have an account, enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button to proceed. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via the email sent to your registered address. Once logged in, you will find yourself on the Looker Studio dashboard. To create a new dashboard, click on the Create button located on the top left. From the drop-down menu, select Dashboard to start a new project. Now you can choose data sources for your dashboard. Click on Add Data to integrate your data sources. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect to your desired data source. After adding your data, click Save to secure your dashboard. You can also customize your dashboard layout by dragging and dropping elements. Explore the various visualization options available to enhance your dashboard. Once you are satisfied with your dashboard, ensure to click the Publish button. This will make your dashboard available for sharing with others. Congratulations, you have successfully logged into Looker Studio and created an AI dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.